In this video, we'll show you how to create a professional email signature from scratch using Bybrand in just a few simple steps. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to log into the Bybrand account, and then you want to head over to create a signature from scratch. We're going to click it right there. That's going to bring us directly into the signature creation canvas right here inside of Bybrand. And we can see by default, we have simple text, and we can edit this, delete it, and add more things. And we can do things like add our personal or business details. We can customize the fonts, the colors. We can add our company logo. We can insert hyperlinks for schedule a meeting and so forth. So let's go ahead and go through here and customize this a little bit with our information. We'll get started by clicking on the plus button and then adding a new title. Then I'm going to click inside of the title and I'm going to move this up and we're going to change this to be my name, Corey Jones. And then we're going to say project manager at Bybrand. Once we have that, I want my name to stand out a little bit more. So we're going to highlight my name. And once we highlight our name or any text at all, we have additional options. We can bold this, italicize it. We can change the font size and so forth with all these different options here, changing the text color, the background color, and so forth. So that looks a little bit better. But now I want to add my company logo as well as some additional company details. To do that, we're going to click inside of my project manager text there. Then we're going to add a column. So we're going to go to add element, and then we're going to add a column, and we'll go with a 3-7 column. As we can see, 30% for one column, 70% for the other column. We're going to click inside. We're going to delete that text. Then we're going to click back inside, and this time we're going to add an image from our image gallery. Once we do, I'm going to select my company logo, click on the plus symbol. As we can see, it's really big, so we can click on that image, and then we can resize it by using these little blue squares in the corner. So we can resize that to where it makes sense for us. Then in the next column, we're going to go ahead and delete that, and I'm going to add some additional details. Okay, so that's looking a lot better. We can see it looks a little close up here without much space. So I'm going to click inside of my project manager line there. Then we're going to go to add element, and we are going to add a little bit of space below. There we go. That looks a lot better now. As you can see, we have a lot of flexibility when it comes to customizing this signature any way that we like. When it comes to adding titles, images, website information, hyperlinks, you name it, we can add it and customize it right here inside of this signature. Now, once we are finished customizing our signature the way that we like, we need to save it. So at the top, we're going to give this a name. I'm going to call mine Awesome Signature, and then I'm going to click on Save Signature. Now, once we have that signature saved, we now have the ability to go over to the More option and then click on Quick Preview, and we can see exactly what this looks like on different devices. So here at the top, we have our desktop view, we have our tablet view, and then we have our mobile view. And you can see how that looks and make any changes to the sizing if necessary. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Start creating your own email signature from scratch with Bybrand today and make your email communication more relevant.